Now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Carson Vickroy.
Alrighty, folks, it's starting to look like it's trying to rain in Longview, which it is. We do have a few of those scary looking clouds, but there's no harm in these clouds, just a couple of showers here and there. And we may be able to squeeze out a few sprinkles here and there for our central and northern counties. But once again, this is not a widespread rain, and we're really not going to see the intensity pick up with these showers and thunderstorms from here until sunset. But let's discuss some of the areas that are seeing rain. You can see over Rusk County. That's probably where the heaviest of the rain has fallen today, but you can see it's weakening as it moves into northern Cherokee County. Some heavy rain just to the south of Lake Stryker, a lightning strike here or there, and this continues to move in the direction of Highway 69 from Alto up into Rusk. Now, for our small town live, that is in Grapeland. There's Grapeland right there. We saw a brief shower. That was in the first half hour. Neil was complaining about my rain forecasting in Grapeland because of those showers, but it was able to move out. Now we're seeing a little bit of rain over the Houston County Lake to the northwest of Crockett. Temperature-wise, in the 70s right now. Henderson's at 64. That's because we had that rain-cooled air about an hour ago. It is 72 in Nacogdoches. We are at 74 in Lufkin. So here are those dew points. We are in the upper 40s and lower 50s. They're a touch higher where we have rain in the area, or rain just move through the city, and that's what you need to produce that precipitation. Otherwise, you're not going to get any. Winds a little more noticeable today, especially for Longview and Marshall, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Everybody else is at 10 or below. I'm going to continue to at least mention the stray showers through about 9, 10 o'clock tonight, so be on alert. I wouldn't cancel those plans or anything like that, but we'll see rain in the area. We fall to 55 tonight. We're back into the upper 70s for tomorrow afternoon, so perhaps a few degrees warmer than what we saw today. Still tracking that storm system over portions of Louisiana. Surface low is in the Gulf. That's part of the reason why we're seeing the rain that we are seeing for portions of Mississippi and Louisiana, and we've seen a little bit of rain here in East Texas. This continues to be the case through 7 o'clock, but between about 8 and 10, that's when the rain moves out. It's certainly out of here by midnight tomorrow. Thursday, not looking at much at all. We may be able to squeeze out a few sprinkles in our far eastern counties. Otherwise, we will remain dry through 4 o'clock. We will see partly cloudy skies tomorrow, but once again, nothing that would cancel your plans weather-wise for tomorrow afternoon. Now, as we head into about 7 o'clock Friday, still seeing a few clouds here and there, and then as we head into Friday afternoon, we do start to see the dry line approach from our west, and as a result, we do have a very slim chance of rain, but I'm not putting too much stock into this because indications are that we will have a strong cap in place, which tends to prevent storms from firing, cap meaning the layer of warm air just above the surface. Slight risk of severe weather to our northwest. Marginal risk does include Tyler and Longview. And again, this is if the cap breaks, which is highly unlikely at this time. And then the storm threat does shift into the Mississippi Valley as we head into Saturday. And no threat of severe weather for us on Saturday. Next 7 days, 78 Thursday, 80s Friday and Saturday. Again, Friday night, Saturday morning. Rain chances possible, about a 20% chance of rain. We're dry Sunday and Monday. Another rain chance for next Tuesday. Deep East Texas, Lufkin, Nacogdoches, Crockett, and Grapeland, for that matter, will be in the 70s and 80s Thursday and Friday. Best chance of rain over the next 7 will be on Saturday, so be prepared for that. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to KETK.com.